Today, we're changing the oil on a 2025 Hyundai Tucson. This is a 2.5 liter non-turbo engine. I'll show you everything you need, where the drain plug and filter are located, and a couple of tips that make this job easier. Let's go. I'll be using Castrol Edge full synthetic 0W20 oil and an OEM Hyundai filter. Let's go ahead and pop off the oil cap and just pop off the oil dipstick. This just helps the oil drain better. So I have an OEM Hyundai filter and it comes with a kit. Inside the kit there's an O-ring for the filter, a crush washer for the drain pan plug. Some of the tools I'll be using are a 17 mil wrench, a 27 millimeter socket, a little torque wrench for the oil filter housing drain plug, and of course a larger torque wrench for the drain plug and the oil filter housing itself. Two other things are a little pry bar screwdriver to help remove the fasteners, and a 10 millimeter socket. Here we have two fasteners that are holding the cover plate that exposes the filter housing. Let's go ahead and remove those. Next, we have the cover plate that is protecting the oil drain pan and the plug. So you take a 10 millimeter socket, undo those bolts, and two fasteners, the same as in the other cover plate. Let's remove those. Next, you want to take a 7 millimeter wrench and crack that drain plug. Once it's cracked, you can undo it by hand and let the oil flow. The drain plug has a crush washer, like I had shown earlier. You got to remove that and put the new one on. I usually don't put the drain plug until the oil stops dripping. When you put this back on, you want to torque it to 29 foot-pounds. Once you hear the click, you know it's good. Go ahead and give that area a nice clean wipe to get rid of any of the oil that was there. Next step, take your 8 millimeter hex head and undo the plug that's on the filter housing. This will drain the remaining oil that is in the oil filter housing. Next, you want to take a 27 millimeter socket and undo the filter housing. Once it's loosened, you can undo it by hand. Here they are side by side, the old filter and the new filter. The oil filter housing has a gasket in there that needs to get replaced. It's got a little tab on there that you pull on and then you can pull it right out. The kit came with a new O-ring. I'll just dip that in some fresh new oil and then reinstall it in the filter housing. Put the new filter back in and you're ready to get back underneath the car. Start screwing the filter housing back on by hand. Once it gets snugged, you'll need the torque wrench to torque it to 22 foot-pounds. Once you hear the click, you know it's done. Next up, you put the oil filter drain plug back on, and this needs to be torqued to 4.4 Newton meters. It's plastic thread, so it's very important that this gets torqued, or you could risk damaging it. Now the oil capacity of the Hyundai Tucson is 5.8 liters, so I'll go ahead and fill a jug with the required amount. Next step, let's go ahead and add the oil. Use a funnel to avoid any unnecessary spills. After you've started the car and let it run for a few seconds, you're ready to check the oil level. Always make sure it's at the correct level. If it isn't, just keep adding a little bit at a time until it is at the correct level. As you can see on the dipstick, we're a little bit low, so I'll have to add a little bit more. After you've added the oil, go ahead and check again. Make sure it's at the correct level. Our next step is to go inside and reset the oil reminder light on the dash. Let's set that oil reminder. Scroll all the way to the right, hit setup. Go all the way to the left, hit vehicle. To the right again to the convenience. And then you'll see the oil change reminder. Go ahead and reset that. It'll ask you whether or not the oil change has been done. Select yes, and you're finished. Hopefully this helped make your next oil change a little easier. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.